wheels, it goes 640.
It has over 800 horsepower.
Stock.
Oh, shit!
Well, this episode, we've got some good cars.
We have some absolute firepower out here.
Today we have these. Woo. Where do we start?
Let's just start with
I'm
this.
starting the Lambo. You, sir.
Yes.
This is your car?
It is. I'm Nick Saran from VF Engineering, and this is my 2019 Lamborghini Huracan Performante, and I've supercharged it.
Jesus.
Did they download that voice into your system when you bought this car? That's just like, it matches so well.
So what are the stock specs of the Performante?
So out of the box, it is 630 horsepower, 410 pounds of torque, four-wheel drive, 5.2 V10.
Jesus, and then you put a supercharger in it.
Yeah, so we manufacture a supercharger system for these engines. It fits the R8, the Huracan, the Gallardo.
And you matched it to the brake calipers.
In this case, yeah.
Is it a pain in the butt to open this up so you
No,
can see it?
let's do it.
So now with the supercharger, is the rest of the car stock? Tell us a little bit about what else is done to it.
Yeah, so the car is completely stock other than the supercharger and then this frosted film to give it this matte look. And then all of this carbon is all factory. It's all the factory spec. Stock exhaust.
This is a stock exhaust?
Yeah.
So what type of horsepower are we talking with the supercharger kit?
Well, we've added 200 horse and 180 pounds of torque.
So what is that to the wheels?
From the wheels, it goes up from 490 at all four wheels to 640.
So stock, these put down 400 and change to the tire?
490.
That's not that impressive, to be honest. Do you know what this car weighs by any chance?
It's about 3,400 pounds.
Oh, okay.
But you know what? These cars, like the power band, yeah, the peak number might not be that crazy sounding, but you have so much of it that it's just always in power.
Oh, I know this is fast. And then anything else done to it, suspension-wise?
Stock suspension, stock tires. These are the factory Pirellis.
305, 35. Jeez. Well, this thing looks insane.
Yeah, it really does.
It's going to be interesting to see what it does up against this massive piece of American muscle right here.
All right, while the rest of the crew is out at the airstrip having a blast, I decided to stay back here at the shop so I could dial in Boomhauer a little bit. But this gives us a perfect opportunity to kind of go through some of the settings on the HP Tuners MPVI2. Come on, check it out. So if you got an OBD2 style car, works perfect. Plug it in, got this little guy right here, put it in your OBD2 style port, then you get full access and real-time data. Everything from your engine ECU to your transmission ECU. It's almost unlimited the things that you can change and modify and make your vehicle function better. So right now I got the VCM scanner open, and you can actually make this to where you can like have a full gauge readout and you can monitor all your engine's vitals, right? This stuff rips. Got everything from simple stuff like RPM and speed, all the way down to the really detailed stuff like transmission temperature. You got MAF readouts, tons of stuff. So when you're really getting down to the nitty gritty, then this is awesome. Also, when you need to tune stuff, it's limitless.
Hi, my name's Steve Rossi. I'm with Santa Margarita Ranch, actually.
This is the fine gentleman that lets us come here and do all sorts of stupid stuff.
That stuff
to their runway.
to his beautiful facility. And you just picked this up, huh?
Yeah, well, we've had it for a little while, but it's been a garage princess. So it just broke 1,000 miles.
Wow.
So it's yet to be out of the garage.
And what is it? It's a
2019 Dodge Demon.
okay.
So
What are the specs on the Dodge Demon?
stock, it comes in at 808 right now with the red key. Once we add the race fuel, it gets up to 840 horsepower.
Stock.
But it weighs 4,200 pounds.
It's a chunky
It's a
boy.
big old
But
girl.
it has over 800 horsepower.
Yeah, it's pretty intense. Look
It
at
is the
these
only car
stock
certified
tires.
from the factory to do a wheelie. So
That
it
is
counts
true.
for anything.
So you got some big old tires out back.
Yeah, I actually really like these wheels.
Yeah, these are cool. 315/40s. This red leather is super nice.
What are these intake holes?
It's sucking squirrels, man.
Headlights and intakes.
Damn.
Damn.
Inside of it.
Wow.
I didn't know they were both. That's next level flex.
So have you done any hits here? Or?
We have not, no.
Oh, so it's gonna be a first.
First time the car's ever been hit at all.
Dan,
I'm gonna go with the Demon.
Ron,
Man, that's a tough one. I'm an all-wheel drive guy. I gotta go with that. I gotta go
Hurt?
with Lambo.
How much power did that thing say it make?
830.
830, and it's 3,200 pounds.
Frank.
Here, hold on one second. Let me do some numbers. I'm gonna go with the Demon on this one.
Peanut Gallery.
That's a V10?
Yeah,
That's two Audi inline fives. That Lambo's going.
I'm gonna go Demon. So, however that adds up, let's go do this. What are you working with in terms of traction control on?
It's got drag settings, set to drag. It's got a launch control. Haven't ever tried any of this, obviously. So
We should give it a try right now.
You want to know Ultimate Factory Flex?
Demon tires?
Logo in the tire.
Wow.
That hooks. That thing gets down. That hooks.
He's got to learn it. Oh, shit! Holy shit!
All right, how did that look?
About 3 to 4 car lengths with the Huracan ahead.
There we go.
I feel like we should let him go. I mean, obviously, Lambo won, but I would say let him go on the jump. I think that might be the difference.
Man, this thing is fast. We're thinking do a little roll race. So just start back however long you need, get synced up to like whatever you guys want, 20, 30 miles an hour, call it 30, and then at the cone, just go. Cool. Scotto, hit him with a flashlight.
Bonus round.
It's even worse. It's even worse. It smoked them harder. The Lambo smoked them harder, it looked like.
Yeah, that Lambo's fast. Nice work.
Thank
This
you.
thing friggin' rips, man.
This is so much fun.
Hell yeah. You know what? There's no shame in losing to a supercharged Lamborghini.
Yeah, he got me every time.
It's not, you didn't lose to anything bad, man.
Close.
Nice work though. Well, there you have it. Pump gas demon versus supercharged Lamborghini. Not a bad way to end the night.
He has road gears. He has an automatic.
Hey, it's still rowing, okay?